Seriously, that happened today. Horrible day. You want the snow? I don't recommend. That's not nice. Snow is not nice. You want the snow? You have snow. Oh my god. It's getting inside the car. Horrible. Simple horrible. Horrible. I'm sorry for the day. You have to leave wherever you have to leave. So, nothing to do. Not nice. Being in middle of the snow. Sorry for the delito again. Okay. Today is February 8th or 7th. February 7th, 2012, Friday. It's a snow day. We're waiting for a big blizzard named Nemo, Finding Nemo. And it's not nice at all. It's not nice at all. Okay. I'll see you guys.